what's up? Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys may already know, I'm moving to Chicago for optometry school and I am just documenting my whole optometry school journey with you all. And today was day one of moving day. Woo! So this morning we brought our rental truck to my apartment in Auburn and we just packed up all of my furniture and belongings, and it ended up taking way longer than we expected. It took about 5 hours. Even though we had 5 people, it still took so long. I just have heavy furniture, I guess. Say hey! But we were able to fit everything in the truck and we were on our way. Leaving Auburn about 1:30 and we ended up driving about 9 hours today, and we drove through Alabama, Tennessee, and now we're in Louisville, Kentucky, spending the night. It's about 11:30 at night and I am exhausted. And we're gonna head out tomorrow morning at around 8:30 and drive our last 4.5 hours before we get to Chicago. And we have to get to the apartment around 3 tomorrow afternoon because that's when our freight elevator is reserved. And thankfully we got movers tomorrow because today was just rough. So I'm gonna get some rest and I will see you all bright and early tomorrow morning. Good morning, we're on the way.
I'm so excited.
Okay, welcome to the apartment. Woo. Okay, so this is where we put our keys. This is the living room, TV, and this is the bedroom number 1. Dresser, mirror, bed, and I love the view. We have a little like U-shaped, so where we can see other people living in the apartment with us. In this room. And then this is our closet, filled up, but crazy, messy. And this is our bathroom, our shower curtain, toilet, all the necessities. And I love the counter space. I miss that at our old apartment. And I love this little medicine cabinet and towel rack, everything like that. Oh, I love the faucets. The little things. Okay. And now we'll move on to the kitchen. Beautiful, beautiful, my favorite part. Okay, we got this 2-sink area, and then the dishwasher, the stove, microwave. Love all the cabinet space. And then our fridge. I love the necessities for a week. And then the freezer. I've never had a fridge like this, but it's very nice. And then the wash and dryer room. We were only here for a week, so we have to do laundry still. But the washer, the dryer, War Eagle, woo! And this is our trash can that we put in here, and we can leave it outside of our door Monday to Thursday, and they just pick it up right outside our door, which is super nice. And then this is the pantry, little space area. We'll put like paper towels, tissue paper, all of that, extra stuff. And this is the dining table area, and this is our cat tree for our cat Oscar that will be coming soon whenever we come back. And we'll go ahead and do the second bedroom, and then we'll go outside to the balcony. So this is bedroom number 2. So this is where guests will stay. I love it, and it has a little adjustable base. Amazing. Whatever, we won't go through it all, but it goes like almost 90 degrees. Okay, put that back. And this view from this bedroom has our balcony, and then we also have like a nice fenced in place where people can take their dogs or go on walks. So this room can see both of those things. And then this is gonna be my desk where I'll be studying. So this is gonna be like my study room / the guest room. And I love the chair and everything. It matches the headboard, obviously. Oh yeah, and then another cute little view. I love all the views that this apartment has. And this is the second bathroom. Love it, love it. Yes, and then this is their closet, and my parents are staying here right now, so won't go in that, but yes, beautiful. I love it, and we'll go outside on the balcony. And this is where we'll put my cat's like food, water, all of that stuff when he arrives. And this is our balcony. Yay! So pretty. I love it, love it, love it. Yep, so that's just a fenced-in area where people can walk. And then these are all the apartment complexes our little U-shaped area. And then we'll have some sort of lights, and we'll have patio furniture. But we just moved in, so a lot of this stuff is not finished yet, but we love it, love it. So pretty. So yeah, I'll take you guys back inside and then we'll be done. Okay. Yeah, so that's about it. But yeah, we're so excited to start living here for the next 4 years, hopefully, if all goes well. So yeah, thank you guys for joining.